Here's the gift: homemade tomato sauce. Eat it with pasta and parmesan, or with vegetables, beans or courgettes. An easy lunch. Serve it on toasted French bread with cheese on top. Here's what you need: 3 tomatoes, a bit of olive oil, salt, sugar, pepper, some basil and garlic. Place the tomatoes into a glass bowl, cover with boiling water and leave for about 5 minutes. Lift them out carefully, and with a knife you'll be able to slip off the skins very easily. Now you're ready to add the flavouring and seasoning. Put a couple of cloves of garlic into a garlic press, or if you don't have one, just chop it yourself finely. But this is the easiest way. Chop the tomato into small pieces, and then you're going to add the seasoning. First goes in a little bit of salt, and then some grinds of black pepper, and finally just 1 teaspoon of sugar. The last thing to add is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you're going to add as much garlic as you want. To cook it in the microwave takes 2 to 3 minutes. But if you don't want to do that, you can cook it in a saucepan, and it's exactly the same. Here I'm showing you adding the garlic, and what you're going to do is just heat it over high heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. While it's cooking, do keep stirring, and then you can add the basil. I would do it near the end. Here's the microwave one, because it doesn't need very much just to give it a little bit of flavour. 1 minute or so will do. And then, if you want to, instead of having a slightly thick sauce, you can press it through a strainer. Pour it into a jar, and here is your finished gift.